Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Looking at our current surface analysis today, you can see we have a boundary off to our southwest, and these storms initialized along it, mainly in North Carolina and the North Carolina-Virginia border at the moment. We do have a slight chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm in our area today. However, that chance is substantially lower than what we've been seeing the last couple of days. Now looking at our upper level wind chart today, at 1,000 feet we have winds coming out of the southwest at about 25 knots, staying pretty consistent throughout the column today, only hovering between about 15 and 25 knots, reaching only 20 knots at 25,000 feet coming out of the west. And our freezing level today is 13,200 feet. Now looking at our visible satellite imagery, you can see very cloudy conditions in our area currently. Expected to see these conditions persist, especially if we continue to get any sort of anvil clouds from these storms off to our south. And taking a quick look at the radar, you can see again those storms in North Carolina really wreaking havoc on how the models were expected to play out today. So a big shift in our chances of precipitation for today, as well as chances of thunderstorms in our area due to this area soaking in most of that energy. Now looking at our reflectivity for the next 24 hours. Again, as you can see on here, not looking like too much going on in our area as we move through the afternoon and evening. This particular model shows a bit more likely of a chance of seeing pop-up shower or thunderstorm later this evening, potentially overnight into Saturday morning, before exiting as we move throughout the day on Saturday. And now picking back up on Saturday morning. Saturday looking to be pretty nice, could be devoid of showers and thunderstorms, just a very slight chance that we could see one throughout the day. Potentially could see a higher chance during the evening on Saturday. Sunday, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms as well. And this trend kind of continues throughout next week, just seeing some slight chances throughout next week. Monday looking mainly good. Tuesday and Thursday particularly, seeing about a 20% chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Now looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart today, you can see cloudy conditions expected for most of the day. Slight chance of seeing showers or thunderstorms during most of the day as well. The exact initiation time pretty hard to determine for today, maybe slightly higher as we move into the evening again and potentially into the overnight hours. Temperatures today starting off at 81 degrees. It is currently still 81 degrees. Looking at a high today around 86 or so, low tonight around 75. Our winds are out of the southwest currently. They've been shifting a bit more westerly as well. Going to be seeing those winds shift to southerly as we approach the evening hours, and then back to southwesterly as we move into Saturday morning and becoming nice and calm as well. And our tides for today are normal. And now looking at the week ahead, today again, we do have a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the area, but these probabilities have dropped pretty substantially from the past couple of days. High of 86 today. To move into tomorrow, tomorrow's probabilities have dropped as well, only looking at about a 15, maybe 20% chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm, especially during the daytime hours, partly to mostly cloudy with a high of 88. Moving into Sunday, still keeping a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms with a high of 90 degrees. And then moving into next week, you can see temperatures not shifting too much, highs in the upper 80s to low 90s. Some slight chances of showers and thunderstorms, particularly during the afternoons of Tuesday and Thursday. Can't rule out a pop-up scenario next week as well. And that's going to conclude our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again next week on Monday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. And I hope you guys have a great weekend.